In this lesson, we will learn how to clean our knives. The knives is the most important tool that we have, and we have to take care of them. So as soon as you use the knife, you want to go ahead and wash it immediately. At that point, anything that has touched your knife is very fresh, so it's not hard. You want to make sure that you use a sponge, and you want to avoid using the hard side. You want to use the soft side of the sponge. The next thing I want you to pay attention to be safe is turn your knife and make sure that the blade is away from you. And go ahead and grab the knife like this and go up and down. The blade has to be away. If it's towards you, it could actually cut you, especially if it's a sharp knife. So this is the way that you wash it. I also want you to make sure that you avoid putting it in the sink among other things and just letting it rest there. The water is not good for the knife. As well as putting it in the dishwasher, that's really bad for your knife. It could destroy the blade, make it rust, and as well, the handle could be eventually fall off because the glue has been removed. So after we're washing, we want to make sure that we go and we dry the knife, and again, you want the blade away from you. And then go ahead and store it. That will complete this lesson and as well this module, basic knife knowledge. In the next module, you will learn about knife excellence.